Dear family and friends, this is a modest attempt to share with you what we saw in the mysterious continent that is Antarctica. Assembling a crew of surfers from different countries, our goal was to search for waves along often uncharted coastlines of the Antarctic Peninsula. Although we knew the chances of finding surf were slim, what made the journey truly special was the time we spent together aboard the 55-foot sailboat called the Ypake II. To reach Antarctica, we would sail across the infamous Drake Passage, navigating past the feared Cape Horn, where the Antarctic and Pacific Oceans collide. It wasn't all about surf though. We battled seasickness, made new friends, were constantly awestruck by our magical surroundings, and gained a deeper understanding of the alarming impact of global warming. During the weeks we spent in this extraordinary environment, nature reminded us who is truly in charge and how humans are significantly altering its course. We hope this film offers you a glimpse into this fascinating world.